Okey, Assalamualaikum, selamat sejahtera. Okey, kita continue bab 1. Continue bab 1 with part 2 of the video. Okey, okey. Part 1 video we stop at number 7, now number 8. Machine winding or coil. Another name of winding is coil, so I prefer to use coil. Coil. So the machine coil divided into two. One is rotor coil. Number 2 is stator coil. Rotor, another name is armature, stator, another name is field, but I prefer to use rotor and stator. Okay, for stator coil, normally they have divided into two. One is separately excited, second self-excited. So self-excited pula divided into 3 types. Series excitation, number 2 shunt excitation, number 3 compound excitation. So we will go through in detail with self-excited, because there are 3 types: series, shunt and compound. Okay, finish theory. We look at the example. You can refer module page 5 and 6. Okay, for soalan then you can read by yourself. For example 1, then you can read by yourself, and solution I will explain here. Okay, so you read the example just now. From example, if you read just now, generator with excited, separately excited, you can refer question ini, generator with separately excited. Okay, so given question given E1 135 volt, E2 we have to find, N1 850 rpm, N2 1000 rpm. So as we study just now, flux proportional with the current. Actually, flux normally produce the current. If the flux is high, so the current is high. So question said I1 equal to I2. So because generator, when they rotate, they will produce the flux. So flux itu adalah current. When the flux exists, automatically the current exists. So that's why flux 1 equal to flux 2 equal is same. I1 equal to I2. Okay, so look at the answer. Using the formula for video part 1 just now, we know the formula. If you remember part 1 punya video, EMF ataupun short form dia E. EMF is electromotive force. Electromotive force is given by 2N PZ flux over 60C. So K, you know, remember K equal to 2PZ over 60C. So EMF equal to Kn5. So therefore kan E1 equal to Kn1 flux 1, E2 Kn2 flux 2. Okay, question said assume constant field excitation. Assume constant field excitation meaning that when the field excitation is constant, so I1 equal to I2, ataupun current come from the flux. Flux datang dulu. Bila ada flux ada current. So bila constant field excitation is constant, meaning that flux 1 equal to flux 2. So therefore I1 equal to I2. So from the formula of EMF kan, in video, in part 1 video, okay, we have go through this formula. E1 equal to Kn1 flux 1, E2 equal to Kn2 flux 2. So E1 over E2, yang ini bagi ini. Since K is same, both kan, both for E1 and E2. So K cancel, and also flux kan, flux 1 and flux 2 is same. Okay, boleh cancel kalau saya. Okay, finally we get E1 over E2 equal to N1 over N1 over N2. So all information is given here kan, all the value is given except we have to find E2. So now we can find E2. Okay, using calculator. Okay, plug in the value. Okay, we get the answer 158.8 volt for E2. Okay, this is simple example. Actually from this we can do conclusion kan, when E1 135 volt, N2 is 150 rpm kan. So after we find E2 kan, we get by increasing the N2 kan, N1 is 850 rpm, N2 is 1000 rpm, meaning that we increase the N is the speed of the generator kan. When we increase the speed of the generator from 850 to 1000 rpm, so we get E2 almost 159. So the voltage increase from 135 kan, voltage increase almost 159 kan, because kan N ni speed increase kan, because speed increase kan, mula-mula nak 850 rpm, lepas tu kita increase 1000 rpm. So bila kita increase speed, voltage also increase. So the conclusion is kan, when voltage is increased, the speed will be increased, or the other way around. Voltage decrease, so the speed decrease. That is the conclusion. Dah 9 minit. Okay, ada lagi satu. Okay, look at example 2 kan, example 2. Okay, example 2, you can refer module kan, again a separately excited generator with no load voltage and blah 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 is given here. You can read by yourself. Again, they are using separately excited generator, tapi without no load. Okay, back to the answer. Okay, okay, question you can read. Okay, given in the question, E1 is given, IF1 given, and 1 is given. So we have to find the I2. And okay, first case, first case, IF is given, kan IF is IF2, IF2 is given 2.5, kan 2.5 ampere. So kan in first case, N1 equal to N2, the speed, the speed, N1 kan speed generator yang pertama N1 sama dengan speed generator yang kedua. And we know that in machine, flux directly proportional to the field current. So meaning that flux equal to field current. So by using the EMF formula, E1 equal to KN151, okay, E2 equal to KN252. Okay, we can solve the problem. Okay, since N1 equal to N2, kan, so kan with this equation we can cancel K, cancel K, N1 cancel N2, because N1 equal to N2. So finally kan only flux remain, flux 1 over flux 2. So flux equal to the field current. So kan so flux 1 equal to IF1, flux 2 equal to IF2. So we can find E2. So remain E2, E1, E2, IF1, IF2. So E2 equal to IF2, E1 darab IF2 over IF1. So plug in the values using calculator, you get the answer 175 volt for the value of E2, sama dengan 175. Okay, that is case number 1. For case number 2, kan, case number 2 given speed, speed for generator number 2 now increase 1000 rpm, kan, and speed for generator number 1 N1 900, IF2 2.2 ampere, IF1 2 ampere. Okay, E1 supply voltage for the generator number 1 still remain 140 volt. Kan, we have to find the voltage for generator number 2. Okay, kan, ini kita tahu, we know flux equal to IF, field current. So using this EMF equation, kan, E1 equal to KN1 flux 1, E2 equal to KN2 flux 2. Okay, kita divide E1 over E2, change E1 equal to this, E2 equal to this. Okay, K is same for numerator and denominator. Okay, K cancel. Okay, remain, so the equation remain N1 flux 1, N2 flux 2. So replace flux 1 and flux 2 equal to IF1 and IF2. So the equation become this. Okay, now remain E1 N1 IF1, E2 N2 IF2. Okay, now we can find E2 because the rest value is already given. Okay, plug in the value of plug in the value of E1, N2, IF2, N1 and IF1. Okay, using calculator we get 171 volt for the value of E2. For the value of E2. Okay, so what we want to know from example number 2, if you can see, so finally we want to know the relationship between current and voltage of the generator, and the relationship between speed and current, and speed and voltage. So we conclude by increasing the current, the voltage of the generator also increase, or sebaliknya, voltage increase, current increase. And number 2, by increasing the speed, the current also increase, voltage also increase. Ataupun kita increase voltage, current increase, speed increase. Or when we increase the current, the voltage will be increased and the speed also will be increased. So that is the relationship. Sama juga dengan example number 1 just now. Example number 1. So from the example number 1, we can do conclusion, meaning that we can do the relationship between voltage and speed of the generator. Ini example 1 just now. Voltage increase, speed of generator also increase. Tapi dekat sini kita boleh buat three relationship. Voltage increase, current increase. Speed increase, current increase, and voltage also increase. Or when voltage increase, current will be increased, speed also will be increased. Meaning that here current is proportional to the voltage, speed also proportional to the current, and also speed also proportional to the voltage. So bukan kita nak tengok macam apa, nak selesai okey dapat jawapan, but finally we want to know relationship between current, voltage and speed. Okey, 18 minit. Terlajak juga. Okey, end of part 2 bab 1. End of part 2 bab 1. Okey, 18 minit.